from Form 1, SHS1, then I started planning of being a farmer. Like poultry farmer. That's the main problem here in Ghana here. When you go to outside then, Charlie, in the man come do for cotton planting.
Oh, Charlie.
Coconut no na bo esisu anyam ebe to the cotton. It is so good I think compost.
Compost, yeah.
You know compost. Outside the crop you want use. O ma start tell we search online or search.
So with that, people at home was struggle, but our situation, wherever you put something, like
yes, that's just cry the other also.
My name is Bernard. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Life is a whole lot. On today's episode, I'm here to have a discussion with entrepreneurs. I particularly call this discussion "Time with Entrepreneurs." Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Let's educate, motivate, and inspire. Hello guys, on today's episode I'm at ClefGee Ventures Poultry Farm, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm about to see you now, but I'm about to assistant. But when now the same thing, but to me I understand at it from come. Boss, you are welcome. No more than cocoa will happen. One issue in our
no continue I'm showing
you. Most then I'm started.
Poultry farm nankasa no me master no ono owo ba ko the ramp nti hold no did the man or say o so san so nya different one will be because ontum on fa na eduma nya nhye one time.
Okay.
Nti wa member ya attachment on nti na so so obi e farm ni bi obi bi nti member show man ti wa na ye did man na ye be start brooder house na ye starting na ye brooding kokona na by this time we do them stage way.
I'm do the house in a video come. This is why attachment and you know attachment, you know, like from where you go school and now attachment.
Okay, me go school Gomwa Senior High Technical School. I'm a agric student. Until vacation no mo my attachment form. And I'm say like me person me back to Midtown. Nyanga se me frapam. Me person me back to Midtown. Into me pede me hwehwe baby foforo na me kwahye nti me bi say areas na also how crampo fan bi wo ha nti botuma eden we be attachment nti me kwai na the way I'm missing ni edwuma no also no or there offer as personal work na on me edwuma nti nkoko we na nkasa na omudo omu ba 29 January.
Okay. Nti no what do buy no wan kasa na share ma. Before that were then types of nkoko.
Nkoko ya omu layers
into there omoto.
Okay, layers omoto.
Okay. Na ya order.
Na ya broilers na ya cockless.
Okay.
Broilers no omu like purposely for meat.
Okay, into 1 year no why kasia.
By hano ye broilers ngo
okay.
Hano for laying nkwa. Your brown and white. Maybe I metum the walk white in
inside. Difference between the brown and the white. Na the could be so types no.
Na cockless. Cockless no so bosha bona omo awodin kakra.
Cockless no.
Bon so omo dun ogu eyim na omo ton.
The one ko achi no.
No. We no omo different. Omo we like almost system is different from cockless no. Cockless no omunle. I just say you were mbawum and it is a wood omu kofia and you betum ya cross on omule by way on cross on it when through they are feeding no mudin no mutume.
Okay.
By way near don't buy no yeah the cockless count. Cockless I think 100 count. By how many years you want with him?
Cockless no go to wire bear man, go to
wire besia.
So. Okay. Until say it was cockless bear man besia, I also go to across one another. they need someone to help them to cross.
Cross. So as the omake be man be and
Okay. Challenges been around them starting.
Anu bom ni de ni starting no. Hano challenge ewa ha the most high challenge per wire. Water no high.
Some
yes. Ya wo pipe wa odo but bath frequently.
What to pipe no?
Omutatum. I think last 3 days crown oma 200 ya 100 ndu no mu bi. Ntenu sa no I just every day bi aye tonsu.
Every day bi.
Oh, e dey omutum nom drum way.
Hey, that mean jindi.
Omunum 1.5 a day.
It's omunum more than half this drum.
Omunum 1.5. Mankasa 1.5.
Wow.
To say we need sim ba ku bi 10 liters. You go inside am be ba ku bi 10 liters. Into 10 liters in a day. So what's your first one how many liters? Say 6 na esi ha. So ye na 6 by maybe if you. It say how so ye 4 into be come be 10.
10 liters.
Ba ku bi 10 liters, 100 liters. It say we calculate 100 liters madam draw me how should be.
Okay.
Half. Into dey anapan on kwam be no 1.
100 liters.
Make us say one na mam first one second one is into way by 12 e dem sanso be mo aduan nem sanso ma nsu
okay
and 2 feed cost
feed no
this time no feed no price no
feed na mo dem on
sisi ade e mo layer mash okay feed no buy your chicks your grower
ni na ade mo wa wo bedi another wo susale
a wo at first month I think first month or 1.5 months at least although to me more chicks
okay
chicks into mudu today first 1.5 months they call 2 months or na wa start that time no mo nya strength no betum dey grower no
okay
na wa start mo grower no so it is so me 3 months obemo at normal circumstances na say nkuko bia say at least 4th month although started to 4th month up from 4.5 months was almost started to
okay
but say it depend depend how I be feed them and how they take how you will feed them medication and those things it is a show me more medication bibia collector at least 4 months there and say pound but here but here is our case no that time no the feeding rate no it couldn't go well and some 1 to 1 so we no mo delay nti laying no so as at now I was saying come to me 90% laying but
it's a 90% laying I'm
90% in there we say adi be rating or percentage we no nkasa at normal circumstance na mo ye nkoko e be kan say 700 it is 700 now some come 21 plus crate
okay
21 plus crate
can single like now how many eggs
pieces now
and
then I just calculate
okay but influence a day we two more to one each and not possible
at normal circumstances although be out to 1 but here is our case you see anya omunya no as I was saying you know so mo edire enti here see edire won so mo so edire enti but see no I think the last 2 days I have seen first omoto 6 crates and then draw omoto 6 na 10 they go so 10 pieces they go so until I'm watching out for today as for now I've taken about 5 crates today this morning 5 crates
today
this morning
so by the close of the day no?
maybe 7 plus I'm expecting 7 plus
okay say your rating average we had obimu on top
yes
in a day
yeah so me calculate ya now so to do half Omo do
Nti
50%.
wɔn bɛyɛ no wɔato.
Omo beto as time goes on. No. So as I was saying, I think some weeks ago, no omo to 3 crates per.
Okay, so it is increasing. So apparently, ebimu was start to can.
Nti ebe un say nkohwe na ebi susu, ebi ye nketenkete.
Nketenkete ya ahwana.
Omo start.
Oh nice.
Ashim dem mi wo nkohwe ketekete bi won kam no be chero. Enu na omo start omo to.
Okay, oni has
is here ofi.
The challenges no, oh yeah.
Na we
no.
na sisi aha no so un say the way I see ne ben ha no nti. Sea breeze no. Sea breeze no no so etuma affect nkoko no. In such a way that nkoko no use heat na omo to. Nti say sun more na sun no ba na omo sutum omo to but
rainy season
nti rainy season so ka challenges no. Nti ni nya ka una achi.
Aka maybe say the internet model rubber bag flats no.
Nti sebosha
absorb heat.
We a brooding house no. Brooding house no any say space bi ada ho a.
Brooding house why then wo?
Ehwo na wode nkokwa no banketenkete na omo hwine mbai na ehwo na odun ogu. Ti ehwo no ekọ inside a light bebre wo mu.
Okay.
Yo bulb bi o friend incandescent bulb. They produce heat.
Okay.
So say it turn bi e dey bobo inside onya. Eso yellow. Tete no ekọ efide ma be a sa bulbs. Nti we no the ogu a produce heat mount heat now produce on etuma omu fuma am so do regulate your body temperature no.
Okay. Until at hot point no when you feel them brooding
house no
what do want back. Sir either the oil types of nkoko na aboko beginning stage no other what them house
brooding house no it you know first day na omo born na so we dey ombedu. Nti omo import one so we ready report say bedu na wo packing na wo dey na aba
we dey na yen ye to the import
as I was saying yankoko we dey me from Ghana so I don't know if say you to Ghana nti na no so me challenge no dia challenge so dia ene dey yin ebi betum so aye feed no say nya feed collect feed amount but yes feed na mama anybody na use with the ramp any be so na production no high omo ye nkoko I think 2000 omo 40 no omo 43 crates
a day
at 2022 last year a day 43 so say average it's not make them say you increase in your so as long as nyama increasing na almost increase the price ti say okoto feed na you increase na
also create no
be increase
no as at today how much
today
one crate
I for here there how many afia say you starting it you dem a obi obefa no 45 cedis one crate okay and on also go outside and so new arrangement of your own so as time goes on we betum their man 50 crates it depending the size of the eggs depend on the size of the eggs when most afians are starting to small ones for fantel so different like obi bobe catch your day you have to do grading of eggs akase na nketewa but as at now no buy ebe chuma yourself afians are starting to into me grading so you need nyale farmer say because you grade down big ones between am atom say 50 cedis so ko big farms are between me say omuton 50 55 almost ko omuton 60 because I no I be go say na my
challenges ni bi bit the mobotu ma aba ho ba bit the feeding no
feeding no
medications
if the
but
all depend on capital
all depends on capital yeah well yes a problem ka se ko yeah see no see no move see fia no ma buy wa ho no mo plans there later mo buy changes bi there dey mo buy you fia another mo ba manage ni nkaka na ma hu
at first we were planning of removing them from here, but I start like the time na almost to trick it, we were planning to remove them from here, but you see now I say eba soro no ye hwe.
Okay.
Ti ye pese ye manage na ye mbobo robbers wo
Na side.
fiti.
Them obey a
Na aka enim ne pe. Because omo so edu enim bra omo hia light kakra omo de be sha because we no edu enim bra omo hu hwe.
Omo hwe.
Omo hu hwe wo ba mu a obo nso omo ne na omo se ya.
Ntodo enim bra won didi.
Odu enim bra won didi. No matter how feed who perfect bangum. Omo ndi.
What would amana at what stage na if you're on to be
okay.
Say urban the on to be so how do you do with it?
Okay, good question. So almost started to now. I think say a good layer akoko bi or a good layer bi I say otumoto almost more than 1.5 year.
Hey.
A good layer bi because as I'm speaking to you now, the rampart you know Afrians ya start here. Ye release ye tom. It is almost 2 year layers no. So almost 2 na say almost 2 bi ma. Who say we no into because some does we no into but you will see that the rate of mulling it is decreasing now. So because no matter how feed that big mumbe the and the but one
until they start releasing. Okay.
So yeah coastal na no so befa.
Okay.
No so alcohol dress na so ayo.
Business no yeah bad
Business no go dey.
Yeah, but on
your bad.
Say obi pede e bia cause I'm happy for you the course na acquire with school na no ha na mo wan so to young guys no bia na obepe no bia profit right.
Oh sure.
But na
the see an office in the crown no.
And one thing in life is doing this kind of work, you know, one kasa privacy and privilege to time like one kasa what time I to me do
yes. We metuma akada by 4 metuma efia.
By 4.
By 4. 4 name metuma efia totally. But we mi fia 12. Anapa me ba ha mi fia 12 na ma akope bibi edi na ma asen. By 4 the other mi fia kora. Okay. Ebia se me ba na me pipe challenges na nse ebia imbiri na ma abehye se we bia.
With the pipe na you the damage challenge the you wetin you no say provide the
tank poly
tanks are dan subaba.
That is our plan. For now.
Dan subaba na mo abu agu na de.
That's our plan.
See am say obi pade e bia onya no bi or a beginner na so reach video ya. Advice kaka and procedures small one than able to master like and then all reach video or pada on so start
BB.
You know first of all say in case the pada or start with layers nkoko a what to na auton kosiana onya then first of all before that about to e bia or the kitwe the number of layers are started. By how many layers will you recommend?
I think
this Oniska high budget. Yeah.
Oniska, I think 200 will be.
Obotu when you
200 best.
Obotu when you
one bed.
One bed yeah.
As at now, chicks one bed there. 10 cedis plus. It depends on the company that you are going for.
Into the average, you're rating 15 cedis. So in case Master and do 15, the profit, the leftover will be yours. 15 cedis. Near the time to never yet.
But
okay, or you cool. So 10 cedis or start 200 or behind.
I think
2K.
2K. Normal. 2K is normal because they feed the crowd and the structure itself.
Until the message, where you school to them, I used to say, yeah, estimating. So 10 cedis offer 200 best now, checks now, 2,000. Or the visible bought normally, Obuno, and I'm offended them.
Pen.
The pen maybe. But maybe amount of 5,000 go to was starting this
5,000
as time goes on. Cause sort on create to call say 50 cedis. That's a day on your create tour as a beginner. That's on your 100 cities within a day.
Yeah.
Set feeding on ton a day.
Feeding in boom day. As a best starter, so wow.
Into the message. So on your checks in the 10 cities, auto 200 bears. Let's say 2K, about 3K. 3K, no, about to
Stretch of a bed in a base.
1K, 1,000.
1,000. So 1,000 there is small.
And
Because
the best in the for the beginner.
Okay, beginner, okay.
Into the 1K, if you're on another for this year, carpenter be now. I'm forced now, I be man.
Okay. So I'll be forced now, I be bam, but
you know that professional level. I understand your point.
Okay.
Yeah,
so only a BB crazy. I saw BB crazy.
So as time goes on, no, build the so there's careful outsider obeying.
Yes.
That not it. You feed no friend get 1,000 but my feed to supply 200 best.
Get 1,000 I think they being a feed 3
sacks. 3 sacks best feeding best of 200 with 3 sacks. How long will it take?
I don't think it will take about 1 month. So in academy you booking cocoa 50.
Okay.
Unless you peg someone. I just will be coffee kese.
You make together.
No I catch actually. Jimmy way now also fafa kan wo de no we ba na abeto am.
Okay. Into minimum ahin abotum booking.
50 na make it into booking. As for my this thing no experience no because say I call for cocoa 50. Imagine 50 pill only 50 and I think 50 will be like 1 box. 1 box. And you have to reach at your site very fast. So you have to hire a car. So calculating the transportation and this thing. That's why I'm saying that you can't book 50 best. Someone is going actually person ton cocoa 50 into J na time so they could book na book account.
Okay.
And I'm going
cost no.
Yes. That's
okay. Into layers no on adwuma na oyede.
Yes, on adwuma.
So but say with little resource odubotum start. We are like you are scaring some of us.
Oh, I'm not scaring anybody.
The way I like you need some big amount to be able to.
Not really big amount, but
obotum go university there. Obi what if you?
Say because farm obi mu di omu sketching. I to the obi na ejuma. We say obi na ejuma nti it depends on the owner. Charlie, no watch him for iske be she ejuma no yenye na. Faso ne ba e be chende this percentage it has say it has.
How will you advise your younger self? Who classmates baby you sure that no book course now. If you on your way. But to my advice will be there maybe this work 2 days. So but to why hustle with different work on your clients now, then you try to invest it into this particular one. Will you advise someone like that?
Yes, if only you willing to.
Okay, because first of all you have to get an interest, have an interest in the work you want to. You can push will be there.
As for me from SHS level, from Form 1, SHS 1, then I started planning of being a farmer. Like poultry farmer.
Yes, you go. I don't cut you off. For there, you have one coffee. Farming, you know. What's his cover?
It's true. Farming.
Bankrupt farming.
That's the main problem here in Ghana here. When you go to outside then, Charlie, you never come in the FOMO. Cotton planting.
Oh, Charlie.
Coconut no na bo esisu anyam ebe to the cotton. It is so good I think compost.
Compost, yeah.
You know compost. Outside the crop you want use o ma start Charlie we search online or search.
Even so with that people at home was struggle but our situation wherever you put something like
yes. Desert cry the other also.
It's the farming also you are ambassador for farming.
Yeah.
Wow, I am the
Farming day.
Aside poultry farming, do you have any other farming in mind that maybe a one kasa ebeye and even recommend it to someone?
Yeah. I think pig farming.
Pig farming.
Then normal like crops like this.
One what I wanna won farmers no. One wadwene that old time of farming. Them ye parents no one kasa one akọdọ small land.
By this time no machines aba. Charlie in your land where the 2 acres be to a. We dey learn ya shape pesika kakra to seed no far away or from the kra. Listen. No, you labors camp how machines bedo amo. Ombe funtum asas na mo bibia.
So, what type of crops now? So if you are going to this particular type of farming,
Like
body blow,
no.
beans, rice.
I think rice is one.
It's profitable.
Cabbage. Carrot. I think carrot. Yes.
Come on. Cabbage and carrot.
Yes.
Come on.
Then green pepper.
Wow.
Those things when you go actually you make money fast. Because nowadays they are using it anywhere you pass. So like eggs, then these things that I have mentioned, they have already So if you go a massa in mana didn't put out 1 ton or go from it.
Demand no. So you are advising your younger self.
You can go inside for that job.
Even not what you are into now.
Yes.
So on poultry but there's different means or different ways into the farming.
Yes.
On poultry farming.
Even you can start something small.
Like
buying that seed that I'm saying that green pepper. Almost 10 cedis. Ubetuma start kakra o wo fie wo garden echi. Charlie eno kra ma o make community esin obi no man pay.
How my idea, imagine
because I'm thinking of doing some here, but here the rate has reached the best no.
Na say best no go out ana.
It's not this one. Okay. Outside.
Okay. But say baby there will be best. So
so you control. That's why now I'm planning to do so.
Okay.
At least small place. Okay. You raise a mountain, you have to go.
Charlie, you are a great student, but you will see we will be because most people raise the mountains in you see, I know your parents are your inside my action. I'm in a poultry farm though. Today will be my first time entering a poultry farm inside now.